Can two products have same ASIN on Amazon or not? So basically this is a beginner question which I have got so many times on my Facebook group, so I thought I should make a video on that today, so all of the beginners who are facing this issue or who are having that question in their mind can actually clear their concept. Because in Amazon product there are different kind of barcodes like ASIN, UPC code, FNSKU code and SKU. So in this video, I'm going to explain you each and everything about this so you can clear all of your confusion about barcode and you will know like what ASIN number is and if that is a unique identity number of any product. So can two product or two product variation have same ASIN number or not? So let's go on my computer screen so I can show you with example to clear your concept. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I am on my laptop right now and from here I have opened my Amazon FBA Seller Center. So basically if from Seller Center, if I go on the manage inventory, so I will be able to see the products listed on this account. So you can see that in this account there is only one product and if I click on that title, so I will be able to open or see that product on Amazon website. So basically if I open any of the listing on Amazon and if I scroll down, so in this section of product information, I can see additional information. So if I zoom in here, so you can see that under that additional information, I can see this ASIN number. So this ASIN number for every product usually starts with B0 and this ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number. So basically this is the special number allocated or assigned to any product on Amazon and this number is unique and that number cannot be duplicated because whenever you send your Amazon FBA inventory to Amazon FBA warehouse, so you have to paste or print the barcode on every unit, and that is because whenever someone orders your product, so the people on Amazon FBA warehouse, they will go on the shelf and they will scan for your product, and when they scan and that scan matches your ASIN number with that particular order, so they know that this product they have to ship, right? So if your ASIN number is wrong or if your ASIN number is duplicated, so in future your customer might get the wrong product and the Amazon delivery team will get confused and might deliver wrong parcel to your customer, right? So this ASIN number is very important and is unique for every product on Amazon. And for example, if you are having a product having multiple variation, just like you are selling a shoes having different sizes like small, medium or large or different color like red, green or blue. So for every variation, there will be a unique ASIN number because at the back end, the team will differentiate between all of those variations based on their particular ASIN number, right? So for example, if I go up and I search for any product, so after searching that product, I will be able to see multiple listings selling shoes. So you can see that this shoes is available in different color and sizes. The sizes start from 6.5 to 14 and the color are blue, brown, white and black, right? So for example, if I select the shoes for 14 size brown color, so on the top URL, you can see this is the ASIN number ending with XK8, right? So if I just change the size like 11 and change the color like white, so on the top you can see that the ASIN number has already changed and this new ASIN number is ending with 54F. So that means if that product is having 20 variation, so at the back end there are 20 different ASIN for each variation, right? So at this point the answer of the first question is clear. Like in Amazon website, one ASIN can only be assigned to one product and that cannot be duplicated even for the different variation of color and size for the same product, right? So now if I go back on Amazon, so you can see that if you want to check the ASIN of your product, so from there you can see this is the ASIN number and under that ASIN you can see this is SKU, right? So this number ending with HIHT is the SKU. So basically this ASIN number will be assigned by Amazon to your product and you cannot assign it by yourself or you cannot change it. But the SKU number you can actually put yourself, like you can put any number or code or any alphabet just for your remembrance, or you can even change that SKU number later as well. So this SKU can be changeable, but this ASIN is not. So these are two barcodes number, ASIN and SKU, and the third one is UPC. And if you want to know that, so for that you have to go on the right side, click on the edit listing, and from there under that ASIN number, you will be able to see this long code says UPC, which is called Universal Product Code. So for example, if you want to sell any particular product outside of Amazon, like if I want to sell that same product on Walmart, so on Walmart I will not use ASIN number, but I will use this UPC number because it's called Universal Product Code and it will work on every website. So I hope at this point you have got the answer of your question, and if you still have any confusion or question, you can just join my Facebook group and you can ask any question there and I will reply to your question so you can get help. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.